Hello guys, do you want to make money online? Do you want to money? If you want, watch this full video guys. I will teach you how to make money online. Trust easy and reliable ways guys. Okay. Hi, my name is Sonup and I will help you how to make money online, how to do blogging and affiliate marketing, etc. guys. I will teach you that. If you are interested, subscribe this YouTube channel. Press the bell icon guys. Okay. Today I will show you how to do affiliate marketing. Okay guys, affiliate marketing is thousands of products come from different categories. If you sell hair product, you can get commission. Okay, so where can get affiliate product? Go to Google Chrome, type clickbank.com. Okay, then you don't have ClickBank account, you must be create account. So easy guys, anyone can create. So I already have to ClickBank account. I go affiliate marketplace. Today I'm going to promote health and fitness category products. That's name is Diabetes Freedom, which is very good product that also benefit people. Three things of you need to promote: photo, project review and the link we found on this affiliate support page. First we take the link. For that, click on promote button. Enter the username of your ClickBank and down is tracking ID where you want to promote this product. That's name guys. And then type the crop of link. Boom guys, here is our affiliate link guys, and copy this link. This link we directly cannot promote guys. For that we go this link short and better. For that we go bit.ly.com. Type the create button, then paste here your affiliate URL and paste the here, then type down okay. Yours affiliate link already short guys. This is our links. Okay friend, first step we already complete. Now start second step guys. Let's go. Okay guys, this product we promote from UK. So we need promote this product. We need three things friends: product photo, product link and some article about it. To find out where to get it, we will go to ClickBank again and go to affiliate support page. Here you will find everything about this product. See, you can even email someone. For that we go to email swipe. After clicking here, it become automatically download on your computer. This is given for your health. You can use it. You can use guys. Our second part is over. Now the next part. We show this product to the people of UK. So we go to another website, adoos.co.uk. Here also you create account guys. That's what that website look like. Yes, about job, health, property. You can give ads to every category. Now we have to promote our product. Post free ads button, then click here. Okay, then Here is title, category, city, postcode, and your name and number. Number are not necessary. For that we first copy and paste the data of affiliate support page. That's everything else follow to me. Millions of people visit this website every month for health, at work. To take a photo, go to the affiliate support page. Various links here. Let's download a photo. Go to bitly.com. Let's leave it. Post the link here. Now post ads it. Your ads are live now, UK.